So my math teacher gave me some questions to practice for my finals, and these are those questions. And these questions are related to lines and angles, and by the way, figures are provided as well. So let's do these questions right away. So let's do question number 1 really quick. And by the way, if you know how to solve these questions, or you can just try it out by pausing this video and try it by yourself to solve these questions. Now I'm gonna solve this question in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see what the question says. Angle AOC and angle BOC form linear pair. So angle AOC, here is angle A depicted in the figure here. This is angle A, so we can write angle AOC as A, like this A, and angle BOC can be also written as B, as shown in the figure, and these form the linear pair. According to the linear pair axiom, these angles should form 180 degrees. And also we got a condition here: if A minus B is equal to 20 degrees, find the values of A and B. So we have to find A and B. Let me just put red here, so it's just more highlighting. Alright, now let's find the values of A and B. Right, so let's put answer here. Alright, so let's write the motive first so we don't just forget. Alright, so it's to find angle A and angle B. Now let's write the condition: A minus B is equal to 20 degrees. Let me just, A minus B is equal to 20 degrees. So what this statement says that, so we got our angle A. Let's just put the angle A here. We got angle A here. This is angle A. This is angle A. Alright, so what it says that in angle A, I just remove B from it. Let's write this as B, and we just remove B, and apparently that will give you 20 degrees as leftover. That means angle A is equal to 20 plus B, and you could have done this easily by just using the transpose method, by just taking this negative B to the other side, like to the RHS, and you will get A is equal to 20 plus B. But this is the more visualizing side. This is what you will see when you try to visualize this statement here. Alright, now we found that A is equal to 20 plus B. Now we have made this entire linear pair into one linear, like one variable in this linear equation. So we can do this easily. We know that 20 plus B is equal to 180 degrees, as you see. So if you add 20 plus B as it is A, and add B, you will get 180 degrees, and B plus B, like B plus B is equal to 2B. So you will see that 20 plus B is equal to 2B is equal to 180 degrees. And let's just put a line over here, and we'll find out 2B is equal to 180 minus 20 degrees, and 180 minus 20 degrees is 160. So B is equal to 160 degrees divided by 2, and B is gonna be 80 degrees. And we found that B is equal to 80 degrees. That means it should be 100 degrees, as there's like that's the only value left for A. So that means A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So we can just do this quickly right now. So we know that A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. We can just add the value of B here. A plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees, and A is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, that is equal to 100 degrees. And we found it. We found the values of A and B. Now let's go ahead and do question number 2. Alright, this is question number 2, and there are a few statements. Alright, so if you know how to solve this question, go ahead and pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Alright, I'm gonna solve this question in 3, 2, and 1. Alright, let's do this question. Alright, so let's see what the question says. If PQ is perpendicular to PS, so that means this is perpendicular to PS. Alright, so um, this is perpendicular, so we got the perpendicular sign here. Alright, then PQ is parallel to SR. So PQ is parallel to SR. Let's just write that. This is parallel to SR. And then angle SQR. Where is angle SQR? Yes. SQR is equal to 28 degrees. That's given in the figure. And angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. And here QRT is 65 degrees. It's given here in the figure, by the way. And find the values x, y. So let's write the motive first. We have to find x and y. So x and y are angles, so it's gonna be easy. So if you just find x or y, you can find the other easily, because this is a triangle. As you can see, it's a triangle, so its sum should be 180 degrees, and we know the angle here, it's 90 degrees. Angle SQR is equal to 90 degrees. No, it's not SQR, sorry, it's SPR is equal to 90 degrees. Angle SPR is equal to 90 degrees. Alright, now let's just do some construction here. Let's put our red color here. So let's construct to see we have constructed something. Alright, so we constructed that, and you will see that let me just put it like here. You will see that angle, let's just put some numbers here, like letters here. Let's put F and E. So you see that the line FE is the transversal here that passes through the parallel lines of PQ and SR or SD, and the line segments QR is also part of the transversal, thus they are transversal, and that means angle PQR is equal to 65 degrees because of alternating angles. This angle and this angle is 65 degrees because of alternating angles. Alright, we got that angle. Let's write that down. Angle QRT is equal to angle PQR, and let's substitute the values. That's 65 degrees is equal to what? Angle PQR. Let's just write what we know about angle PQR, that is x degrees plus 28 degrees. Alright, now we have to solve for x. Okay, so let's just put a big line here for more clarity. So x is equal to 65, sorry, it's 65 degrees minus 28 degrees, and let's do that quickly. Alright, let me just do this quickly. Alright, I can't do mental math that easily right now, so let's just do this quickly. Alright, 8 or 15, 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. We got x is equal to 37 degrees. Alright. Now we got x, so we know that x plus 90 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. We know that. We just wrote angle SPQ as 90 degrees. Let's just do this quickly, and we know angle x, that is gonna be 37 plus 90, that's gonna be 127 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 127 degrees. And that means, so let's just do this quickly. I don't have time to do mental maths. All right, all right, that's gonna be 10 7, 10 minus 7 3, 7 minus 2 5, and 0. All right, so y is equal to 53 degrees, and those are the values of x and y. Let's just write them down here. Let's just write x here, 37 degrees, and boom. And also we have to write that this is alternating alternating angles to get to make sure, like, if the examiner says that angle QRT is equal to PQR, they're gonna say, "Bro, why?" So we have to write the reason: alternating angles. So thus they're alternating angles, and you don't need to prove those are alternating angles. Why those alternating angles are equal, you know it, so you don't need to prove that. Okay, let's go and do question number 3 quickly. All right, so prove that angle ADC is equal to angle A plus angle B plus C. So we have to find this angle, that is this angle plus this angle plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now this is fairly easy. You just take this one figure and rotate it for much easy understanding, understand to understand it much clearly. So let's just do this and rotate this thing. All right, how do I rotate this thing and this thing? All right, I don't think we can rotate. No, you can't rotate. I thought you can rotate in this e-board. What's wrong with it? I can't rotate it. No, don't worry, don't worry. I'll make sure to do this. All right. I thought I could rotate it, but let's just do this quickly. Let's increase its size. All right. Let's just remove the unnecessary. So if we just construct a line here, let's use red to know that we constructed over here, and we will see that we got the this two triangles here. It's passing through this. Okay, my drawing is bad, sorry. So we got two triangles, triangle ABD and a triangle CBD. So let's find for triangle ABD. Now, for to know the entire angles here, we could just sum them up. So let's just do that. Let me just do this. So that means angle A plus half angle B is equal to half angle D. Why is it half angle D, you may ask? It is because of the exterior angle sum property. Why? This angle, this angle A and this half angle B should be equaling to half angle D. That is the reason, okay? Alright, so we got that because it's the property. Alright, let's just write the property. It's because of exterior angle sum property. Alright, you can prove this by yourself. Just do some little construction over there and there. You can prove this. Alright, so the same applies over here in this triangle. So it's gonna be angle C plus half angle B is equal to half angle D. Add them up. Add this in equation 1 and equation 2. Let's just write that equation 1 and equation 2, and we will get angle A plus half angle B plus angle C plus half angle B is equal to half angle D plus half angle D. Let's do this easily. We can see that angle A plus angle B is equal angle B plus angle C is equal to angle D, and let's write hence proved. There could be different ways to prove this. By the way, every question can be proven different in different ways. Pretty much, it's not just like you can use this one technique or not. This is the technique that I found to find this if and solution. So for this problem. So yeah, if you have another better idea, please let me know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and do question number 4, and that's the final question. That is that angle, sorry, AB is parallel to CD. As you can see, AB is parallel to CD and it is parallel to EF. And PQ, which is this is parallel to RS. Alright, that's true. So we know that. Then angle RQD, which is RQD, it's 30 degrees, it's there in the figure. And angle CQP, where CQP is 80 degrees, that's also in the figure. And what's given is to find angle QRS. It's to find this angle. Alright, let's find this angle quickly. Alright, so if you know how to find this problem, the solution for this problem, please go ahead and pause and try to do it by yourself and come back and see if your answer is correct or not. And if you have a better way to solve this question or any question to matter in fact, please go ahead and comment below. Alright, so let's do answer. Don't Let's just write here, that's much faster. It's more clear, right? Let's write here, let's start writing here. So we know that according to alternating angles, this angle, you see, this angle should be equaling to this angle, right? We have to find this angle, so it's gonna be 30 degrees. So angle RQD is gonna equal to angle what? ARQ, angle ARQ. It's gonna be that because of alternating angles. Yes, alternating angles. Alright, they are alternating angles. And now we have to just find angle SRA. What should be find angle QRS, right? That is QRS. Let's just write the motif quickly. I almost forgot to write it. Alright, so angle QRS. Alright, so we found the first part. Now we have to find the remaining part. We don't know. So if we just extend, like construct SR straight, we will get this because it's a parallel to PQ, and this, if we extend SR, it won't be like this. Why? Because RQ is a different line segment. Alright, so we extended SR to whatever L, let's write L. We are not gonna use them, use it anyway. So we know that angle what CQP is equal to 80 degrees, and that means angle DQP should equal to 100 degrees. And if it's gonna be parallel, if SL is gonna be parallel, that means same angles should apply, right? Same angles should apply here too. This should be 80, this should be 100. And if one angle has a small slight change, that means they're gonna intersect at some point. So if angles are like the same right here, then they're not gonna intersect, they're not gonna get any closer or any further, and thus they're gonna be parallel, right? Now let's just put this image and make it big. It's getting small. Okay, let's just make it bigger. Alright. Alright. Whoa, what happened to the keyboard? Alright, so let's just get this up. Yeah. Whoa, what's happening? Oh my god. Alright, let me just select this quickly. Right. And boom. Alright, so what we got here is that, let's just take this 30 degrees little down. Alright, this is 30 degrees over here. So according to vertical opposite angles, this should be 100 degrees as you see. So that means angle R. What's this angle? We should name this angle, right? Let's name it M, right? All right. So angle let's name this point M. So angle RMQ. So angle RMQ is equal to angle DML. Oh, okay, we are gonna write L, right? Okay, so angle DML. So that means let's write vertical opposite angles. This is a short form. Alright, that's, oh my god, what am I doing? Alright, alright, it's getting a little hard to explain, but let me try my best. Alright. Alright, how do I select this? Alright, so if I just do this, and you see, okay, we have to write this fact also before vertical opposite angles. Let's write this fact. If you're gonna write an exam on this question, we have to write this fact also, that extend what RS, where's RS? Yeah, RS is here. Okay, so extend RS to L, construction. Just write construction, and it's clear to the reader. All right. Let's just put this here. Alright, so we got that, and voila, what's happening here? It's a triangle, and we got the two components for angle, so we know that this is gonna be let's 130, so let's write consider triangle QRM. Let's write that QRM, and we are gonna find angles, so we know that the angles already, so it's gonna be 130 degrees plus let's just put at 0 temporarily, at degrees is equal to, well, 180 degrees. Angle sum property, just write that angle sum property, and that means x is equal to 180 minus 130. That's, I believe, is 50 degrees. Yes, it's gonna be 50 degrees. So that's 50 degrees. Alright, let's just remove this. Isn't we? This aren't we? Let's just remove this. Alright. Okay, it's taking time to delete stuff. Alright. We got that. Let's just make this answer a little smaller. I was not expecting to take this long, but I wish my explanation is great enough. Okay, why is it taking time to change stuff right over here? Alright. So let's see. We found that this is 50 degrees, and what are we seeing here? This angle SL here, we are no, not angle SL, this line SL, and we are angle M here, right? This point is M, so this SM this line segment SM here is gonna have 180 degrees. As we see, this is a linear pair. You can see angle SRM plus no angle SRA plus angle ARQ plus angle uh QRM is gonna have 180 degrees. So let's just put the values. Let's just quickly put the values. Just don't write the angles. That's gonna take a lot of time. Alright, so we know that 50 plus 30 plus this angle SRA, we have to find that is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 30 is 180, no, not 180, it's 80 degrees plus angle SRA. Alright, and angle SRA, let's just put another line here. So angle SRA is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, and that does angle SRA is equal to 100 degrees. Now we have to find angle QRS, right? According to this is why I wrote it here. It's easier, right, to find. When it's at the first, we just go to the first lines of our answer. You can find a motive. So angle QRS is equal to angle SRA plus which angle? Angle Q RA, right? Angle QRA, and we know those values. Angle SRA is 100 degrees, and angle QRA is equal to 30 degrees, and that means angle QRS is equal to 130 degrees. Voila! We found the answer, and thus we found it. And thanks for watching, and I wish your answers are correct. And if you have a better way of finding these, please do comment below. Please let me know an effective method or something like that. And if you have learned something new today by watching this video, I hope so. So thanks for watching, and bye.